Minnesota, and it is raining with tornadoes not too far off in the distance, so things are a little bit interesting, but nonetheless I'm here. I think I'm gonna bake some brownies and maybe edit some video, play some video games, whatever. Certainly I'm not outside in this rain.
Jonathan Taves has made it official. We knew he was leaning in this direction. He has announced his retirement.
Our trip across Route 66 came to an abrupt halt after arriving in Williams, Arizona, only to find that our 7th pin had incurred some damage while traveling across Interstate 40.
Meanwhile, a 21-year-old NASA telescope is falling out of orbit, and a startup is about to send a robot to catch it.
I think that while we ride out this storm here with a little bit of rain action, I am going to attempt to bake some sugar-free brownies. As a diabetic, this is going to be a rare treat. Hopefully these turn out. I don't know, never done this before. Certainly have never done this before in my oven in my van. So it should be quite an experience. We'll see what we get. Gonna start off with the mix in a bowl here. Might have to spread this across a couple bowls because I don't really have a proper mixing bowl at this time. But gonna have to now warm up some of the coconut oil. Gonna have to melt some coconut oil. Gently motivating the coconut oil to melt. Adding in 2/3 cup melted coconut oil. Now I need to add 2 eggs to the mix. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't feel like holding my phone and trying to film this while cracking an egg. That's just gonna be too hard. So you're just gonna have to accept the fact that I'm about to crack these eggs into the mix. Now we need to mix everything together. I do not currently have a blender, nor even at this moment a whisk, which would sure be nice, or even a proper mixing bowl, which would make this a little easier. So I'm gonna have to do this by hand in a bowl with a fork. I'll cut to the chase. This looks like it's mixed enough. Now it's time to put it into the pan, which I've greased it up with some butter. I don't really have any non-stick items, so we're just gonna have to go with butter. Here is the buttered pan. Calls for an 8x8. This is a 9x9. Gonna have to make do with what we've got here. So again, can't really fill this while filming, so we're gonna have to cut to the chase again. I'm gonna pour the mix into the pan. The temperature in the oven is as low as it goes, and it's a lot higher than 320, I can assure you of that. Let's take a look at what we have here. It's been baking for about 7 minutes, but again, the temperature is crazy high, so I don't know. Nonetheless, I've opened the door, it stopped raining, so get a little bit of fresh air in here. Pulled it out after about 10 minutes because again, this thing's at like 500 and some odd degrees and it's supposed to be like 350, so no way to lower the temperature on that, so I don't know. Let's see what we get here. Despite the fact that I baked it at about 550 rather than 350, managed to pull it off without burning it. It's not sticking to the pan. Pretty decent. See what it tastes like. Yeah, it's pretty good, all things considered. In the remote mountain highlands of Asia, a group of Buddhist monks called the Luan achieved enlightenment and ascension through meditation and pure living. The monks discovered a rare superfood prized for its sweetness and its ability to raise chi, or life energy. This sacred fruit was named monk fruit and was used for centuries to increase chi and well-being, earning it the nickname the Immortal's Fruit. We still harvest monk fruit for Lacanto in the same pristine area according to traditional and environmental methods. So hey, if you're diabetic like me, and you miss having brownies, is this as good as regular brownies? No, it's not. Don't have a choice? It's pretty good.
I would rather. Sounds real nice. Just drop it.
But if you are 3 to 5 psi off, definitely is.
Well, thankfully the tornado stayed southwest of us. We didn't get any of the excitement related to that. We didn't get any of the high winds. We definitely got rain. But luckily for the people gathered here, we survived. Now with some freshly baked brownies in the van, not much else to do or see here. Time to take off and check out whatever my next adventure shall be. Until then, I'm the Lunar Rover.